Just one to go, AOJ says. Final count completed in 62 of 63 constituencies. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, big day for rural bus system. Units to face the ultimate test as students ride the buses as of Monday. And police officer dead and several of his family members injured after crash in Manchester. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.